Crafty Chica. I never confuse my paint water with my cafecito. I'm a Crafty Chica. I cut up all of my husband's favorite shirts to make a quilt for him. One side. I'm a Crafty Chica. I never confuse my glue stick for my chapstick. It's non-toxic. I'm a Crafty Chica. I'm not a craft hoarder. I'm a craft supply curator. I'm a Crafty Chica. I literally never leave the house without some emergency sparkle. I'm a Crafty Chica. I always have a shrine to my Nana Cano to bring me good energy. Please let people love this video.